Create or purchase a unique gift for her. When you put some thought and work into your gifts, they have a greater meaning. Also, they don't have to be expensive. Anything that demonstrates that you gave your mother some thought would be greatly appreciated. Make an origami Yoda for your mother, for instance, if she enjoys Star Wars. This gift demonstrates that you are aware of her interests and are willing to take the time to make her day better while also being relatively inexpensive to prepare. Making your mother a coupon book with items she can use, like one breakfast in bed or one nasty joke upon request, is another option. If mixtapes are too old school for you, create a playlist of songs that make you think of your mother or lift your spirits when you're having a bad day. If you give her a copy of this playlist, she'll remember you every time she hears that song. Insert a message from you into her lunch. Perhaps your mother would always include a note in your lunch assuring you that she loved and would always adore you. Why not give it a whirl? To save her time in the morning, you might even pack her lunch and store it in the refrigerator. Tell your friends about your mother. Undoubtedly, inviting your pals over to your mom's house can be humiliating. You never know if she'll try to bring up photographs of you when you were a baby or bring up that sweet thing you did when you were 5. Making your mother feel included in your life, however, will serve to remind her of your concern for her, even when she is embarrassing you. Assist your mother in household chores. Performing housework can be time-consuming and frustrating. By helping out where you can relieve some of your mom's stress. This works even better if you surprise her. For instance, she'll be overjoyed if she comes home from work and discovers that the dishes have already been done. Prepare her supper. Organizing a dinner party may be stressful. Inform your mother that you would like to make dinner one night if you know she has a busy week. Offer to assist her in the kitchen even if you are unable to do it all on your own. You'll get to spend time with each other while learning some delicious cooking techniques. Having breakfast in bed is a time-tested tradition. Nevertheless, lots of individuals wait until Mother's Day. In actuality, your mother will certainly value breakfast in bed on any Saturday. Spend some time determining her favorite dishes and preparing them for her. Ask her to show you how to create it a few weeks before you want to make it for her if she enjoys something too difficult for you to prepare or that you are unfamiliar with. Assume more accountability for your actions. If you come from a big family, managing everyone's schedules might be highly time-consuming and frustrating for your mom. It will be easier for your mom if you attend your appointments and outings on your own. A happier mother is a mother with less stress. Visit your mother frequently. Just the two of you? Ask to hang out. To demonstrate your interest in spending time with her, you can offer to play video games with her or simply go for a stroll. Evening excursions don't even have to be expensive. For instance, if you and your mother both love animals, suggest that you two visit the neighborhood animal shelter and interact with the animals. In addition to making your mother happy, you'll also be helping cats, dogs, and the occasional ferret since many rescue animals require socialization. Ask her if she'd like to take a stroll with you if she's feeling upset. You might also ask her to assist you with your homework to divert her attention. Bear in mind significant dates. Nothing gives a mother a greater sense of honor than for her kids to remember her birthday or anniversary. Tell her how much she means to you in a letter, card, or e-card that you send. Put significant dates in the calendar on your phone to help you remember them. For instance, Facebook will notify you of your mother's impending birthday if you are friends with her on the social media platform.